A tragic motor vehicle crash early Sunday morning has left 5 people dead and 7 others injured, casting a renewed spotlight on speeding and road safety in Falmouth, Trelawney. Sandy Williams reports.
The incident occurred approximately 2:30 a.m. along the Salt Marsh Main Road when a minivan carrying a group of partygoers from St. Catherine overturned. The group was reportedly en route to an event in Hanover when tragedy struck. Police say the cause of the crash appears to be excessive speeding, a long-standing concern for residents in the area. The identities of the deceased are being withheld until their immediate families are notified. Residents, some visibly shaken by the accident, say the frequency of collisions on this stretch of road has made life increasingly dangerous.
Scared because sometimes me myself not even want to go across the road. I don't want to go across the road. I forgot where, even this evening I forgot where. I'm afraid to cross the road. Because the speed where them a come on. And sometimes they see somebody across and then don't cut down them speed. You understand? Tired.
Beyond the loss of life and injuries, residents are also concerned about the risk to property. Hence a call for the government to install guardrails to help minimize damage when vehicles veer off the roadway.
So anything happen, it's been controlled from damage people's property. Because even down the road this other day, where a car run off the road and crash into a man's garage. And nothing come out of it up to now, that's as far as I understand.
This latest crash brings the number of road fatalities in Trelawney to 15 since the start of the year, 6 more than during the same period last year. In response, the police are urging motorists to obey speed limits and exercise greater caution.
Be mindful of other road users. The life you save may be that of your very own. Speeding kills, ladies and gentlemen. While you're out there on our roadways, please be careful. Remember, the person next to you on the road is your neighbor. Be a good neighbor to your fellow drivers on the road.
Meanwhile, the National Road Safety Council is pushing for tougher penalties for speeding, as well as the implementation of speed monitoring technologies, including speed vaccines, to curb reckless and dangerous driving habits.
By far the most important one is sanctions. Sanctions that when you go above the speed limit, you get a ticket and you pay a hefty fine. If it attracts demerit points, then you can stand to lose your license or have your license suspended at the very least.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.